Hello, folks. This is Jay Balaji Samutravelu. I am your alumni. I graduated from the same SRM Ramapuram CS department from 2012 to 2016 batch. To give you a background, I am currently living in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and I work for Government of Canada Enterprise, the tax division called as Canada Revenue Agency. I work for the digital enterprise solutions division here, and yeah, I take this opportunity to reflect back on my campus life at SRM Ramapuram back in those days. So yeah, if I start to think about and take a step back, my first year after high school, I was a bit curious and passionate about digital technology and computers and things like that. You know what, the video games is what made me curious, as it would have for most of you or many of you. So with that curiosity, I entered campus, and initially, I would say, frankly, I was a bit overwhelmed with the academics, staying away from parents for a while, and things like that. So I kind of needed a support system. That's mostly the friends that you get. Uh, so I got a bunch of friends. I'm glad. A bunch of friends who were very curious. They were also very novice and curious as me in the department. So we started hanging out together, and that was our initial days of college, where we used to hang out. We were curious about what's going on and things like that in the world. So I found my bunch of geeks. So after we started hanging out with each other, that the 2012 2013 period was the age of digital apps, mobile apps. So developing mobile apps was a sort of a niche skill at that time. So we bundled up. We thought, it'll just, how hard could it be to develop a mobile app? Like everyone is developing on those days. So we said it to ourselves, and we started the journey of writing our first mobile app. And oh god, yeah. So we thought we'll be able to finish it in a week, and it took 3 to 4 months, but the perseverance kept on moving, and we pushed each other's, and at the end of 4 months we had something that was badly working. But to reflect back, it was a really tremendous learning experience that we got, and that pushed all of us into the world of mobile apps, and the practical technology that we are used to learning in our academic life. So that's a first experience. Once we got a bit stable with our exposure to apps, we started implementing more advanced concepts. And one such memorable experience that I still remember is participating in a inter SRM campus competition called Convolve. Think Convolve, I'm not sure if it still is a yearly event, but back in those times, it was between all four campus, like all four SRM campuses. We were the ones to represent Ramapuram, so we developed an app to. It actually started as like a bunk calculator. Like if you miss these many number of classes, how much would you need to make up your attendance and things like that. But it became a more formal way of actually keeping track of your attendance and grades. So that's something we pitched at Convolve, and we were the ones from our campus to get into the finals, and we were also provided with an award. So that was quite the journey, and I still remember the days of talking to Pravina ma'am and Arun Kumar sir about getting different permissions, or trying to solve problems. Like we tried to set an ambitious target, move towards that, get stuck at a point, and then go and knock Arun sir or Pravina ma'am. So that was a routine, and they really helped us to keep moving forward. And that's the kind of support system you wouldn't get anywhere else, but we try to utilize that as much as possible. So that's the later years, and from the third year onwards, me and my friends were introduced more into formal research. Formal research is something that I still I'm very thankful that I got introduced to the world of publishing papers, journals, and things like that at a very early stage. Like third year, bachelor's degree is not something that you would be able to like contribute so much, but it still gives you a very good understanding of what formal research is and what formal research is not. So that's something I'm very grateful that I think I've got that experience in a very early stage. So that really helped me to get into my graduate studies program here in Canada. They really valued what I had back in India at SRM days. So that really helped. Like back here, when my professor was going through my resume to understand what I did back in bachelor's, it helped me stand out from other international students who had a similar profile. So that really helped. And to reflect back and say what more could you have done, I think when I graduated from SRM, I had this feeling of this is pretty much what you have done. Like I had a satisfaction of you made the most out of it. So whatever you do, I think this is one path that I took, but there could be plethora of other different paths that everyone will be taking. But at the end, it's the journey that matters, and at the end, it's the satisfaction that matters. That this is the best path you could have taken without any regrets. So that's just try to have that and keep trying to have fun. Few pointers I can say is just try to be very curious. I think most of the professors would be very supportive if you're trying to do more outside of academics. So I think that's trying to do something outside of academics is a tremendous learning opportunity. And when you have a fun element, or if you're trying to do something that's outside of the academics using what you learned in academics, that'll help you understand your core concepts really well, and that'll help you, like even in my day job today, I'm using what I have set as a solid foundation during my undergraduate days to the graduate school and so on. So having that solid foundation is crucial, and achieving that is through experimenting on your own rather than just having grades. Grades are important, but this is also equally important. So that's a few things. And with all the pandemic and other stuff going on, I feel there'll be a huge push towards digital skills, and it's high time to be in CS right now, and just make the best out of it. I think you all are in very good hands right now. Just make the best out of it. Thank you very much, and take care. Stay safe.